Welcome. In front of me I have Metro Wireless Earphones Lite and also Apple Watch Series 3, and I'm going to show you how you can unpair these earphones from the Apple Watch. So at the first I'm going to enter the passcode to unlock the watch, and after that we have to go for the menu, then tap on the settings icon, and right now just scroll down to find the Bluetooth settings. Here it is, so tap. As you can see right now our earphones are not connected, so we have to connect to them. Okay, it takes more time, so we have to tap on this button at the right edge of the case. So click and hold, click OK here. Right now release the key and just tap on it one more time to connect. And as you can see right now our earphones are connected. So to unpair you have to tap on the iPhone, on the icon of the information, and right now just tap to forget the device. So as you can see, it was the video how to unpair, but also I show you how to pair, and that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya.